Hello! Today we're going to have to go to doll surgery because Anna had a little accident. She broke her foot, so we're going to try to repair it. Let's see how it turns out. You'll need your patient, ankle frame replacement part, something to protect your surface while using heat, a Phillips screwdriver, and a blow dryer. Let's remove the lower leg. Apply heat to this area to remove the lower leg frame. Use low heat. Not ready yet. Still not ready. Let's hope third time's the charm. Nope, back to the heat. The saga continues. They say patience is a virtue. I can't believe I'm about to be defeated by a doll leg. Yay, we did it! Time to heat this area. Fingers crossed that it goes smoother. Nope. It feels warm to the touch. Almost there. I think I need to bring out the big tools. Pliers and towel to protect the plastic. Taco wrap the towel around the plastic. Grip the leg with the pliers and pull. Yay, it worked! Success! Gather your replacement parts. Place the lower leg piece inside the ankle frame. Grab the leg and the frame. It's time to heat things up again. Place the frame into the leg. The finish line is near. Attach the lower leg to the knee. Grab the foot and the Phillips screwdriver. Place the foot on the ankle frame. Tighten the screw. Dolly's surgery was a success. Thanks for watching. Have you experienced a Dolly injury? Share in the comments below.